Hi, Gray. Can you tell me what you're eating?
Twat and twunch.
All right. Tell me how to say it.
Twat, twunch.
Twat and twunch. Let's see.
Twat and twunch.
What's your favorite cereal? What's it called?
Twat and twunch.
Say it again.
Twat and twunch.
Twat and twunch.
I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah, you can eat it. What's it taste like? Tell me what you got.
I just got the ant.
Oh, and you brought it in to show me? And
it's dead.
It's dead?
And it's killed it.
You killed it?
On my finger.
Why?
Because I'm going to kill some ants.
Why do you kill some ants?
Because he's dead.
Oh, he's dead.
Get up.
Maybe you should put him in the trash.
No, don't put him in the trash.
Don't?
He'll get scared.
He would, but he's dead.
But I'm not going to keep him.
Oh, what are you going to keep him for?
From the lots of ants and lots of bees, they're going to sting them.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they're going to sting them. But bees don't sting ants because they don't sting them.
No, they usually don't, because ants are too small.
Ants are tiny, little small.
Yeah.
They're tiny.
Do you like ants?
But the bees are big.
Do you like ants?
No, but
Bees are big, yes, you're right.
But the 20 big.
Hey, do you like ants?
But medium and tiny, big, medium, tiny, medium, big.
Okay. Bye. It's dead. You killed it. You squashed it.
Squashed it?
Yeah.
Throw them in the trash.
Yeah, you throw him in the trash.
I can't. This one.
I don't want to. He's dead.